Hey YouTube, so welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my December alterations. I know it is January already, 2019, but you guys know I'd wait until the end of the month, beginning of next month to do these. So I actually only have 2 completed items to show you, and then I have a 3rd item that I'm currently working on that I really want to get your guys' opinion on what you think I should do because I'm kind of at a crossroads with it. That will be at the end of the video, so without further ado, let's quickly jump into this. So the first item I have to show you guys is this purple, burgundy, and mustard print mini skirt. The only alteration I did to this was I made it tighter on my waist. It was super easy. As I've shown you guys before, it has this elastic back strap, so I just took that in the back and kind of did, oh, I can't think of what it's called. It's where you take it all in and it goes in an angle. I can't think of what it is at the moment, but this is what I have for you guys. So next item I had to show you guys is this floral duster kimono situation. This is originally from Fashion Nova and is in a size extra large. So for this, it had these like crochet lace panels on the front right here. You guys will see that in the before try on clip. So for this, all I did was take those out and re-sew the sides in together. Because of that, it does have this really pretty like high-low hem situation at the bottom where the front is a little bit shorter than the back and it does drag around. So with this, I would pair this with some heels for the spring and summertime. Alright, so the last item I have is actually the item I'm still currently working on. I will insert the before photos or clips that I took. But this is what it currently looks like, and I'll go ahead and insert like a current situation photo and clip in here. But it's just this really pretty like culotte style jumpsuit. It's like a dark navy, black, and white polka dot situation. I do envision wearing this with like a white belt and heels in the summer, or maybe even like a brown belt and heels, either way. My current struggle is it had this lace detailing right here, and I did take that off successfully, and I'm going to take the sides in so it fits my body a bit better because it is actually a size 10 and I am like a size 3-4 in my clothing, extra small. So I don't know if I should take the V or take the neckline and turn it into like a V-neck, or shorten the sleeves, or completely take the sleeves off and make it like a thin strap situation. So if you guys could let me know down below what you think I should do, it would be greatly appreciated. I will have my playlist of my other monthly alterations down below if you guys do want to check that out. I will have my Vinted shop listed in the description box, as well as my Instagram if you guys would like to follow me over there. Like I said, I will be doing a giveaway soon. If you guys would like to enter that, please subscribe. Just subscribe anyway. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more videos like this or if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.